Hi, I'm Ronnie, and this is my channel, Dad Starts YouTube. Do you want to learn how to get paid with YouTube without 1,000 subscribers? You're in the right place. Please keep watching. Are you a box-minded YouTuber or an open-minded YouTuber? Box-minded YouTubers believe that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to make money with YouTube. That's just like believing that you gotta have a job to make money. And if that was true, then how the heck do we have entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunity beyond resources control. I assume that at least one of the main reasons you started your YouTube channel was to self-employ yourself. However, by relying and complying to YouTube's guidelines, you resorted back to the original thought of, I need a job to make money. The only difference is you replace job with YouTube. The funny thing is, if YouTube was a real job, I'm willing to bet that you would not be willing to work for free for months or years just to get a raise of $1 per 1,000 views. The truth is, you don't make money by just simply having a job, but by delivering a product or service. Someone has a need or a problem and you fix it. We don't pay doctors because they're doctors. We pay doctors because they make us feel better. Even YouTube does it. They want to keep everybody on their platform. When a YouTuber helps them do that, they pay them. They even make it easy for you to do that by allowing you to start a YouTube channel for free. Imagine if someone gave you free office space and told you that you could sell whatever you want and keep all of the profits. Plus, every 1,000 people that come into your store, I would give you $1. What would you do? Would you focus more on getting 1,000 people walking through the door or more on what the heck am I going to sell in this free building where I get to keep all the profits? Getting monetized on YouTube should be a bonus on top of everything you are already doing. YouTube is your real estate on a busy road of people passing by your store every day. My blueprint, thinking outside the tube, will give you detailed steps and equip you with needed tools to help you generate income with YouTube while you grow your channel at the same time. Not just YouTube, but all social media platforms. It will give you a strategy. For example, you already know that you can make money with YouTube. That's why you upload content every day. You see YouTubers like Grant Cardone and Gary Vee killing it. So now you see it and you know it. But what if Gary Vee gave you a step-by-step guide of how to do it? This blueprint is the same one I use till this day that has enabled me to make a substantial income, be with my family, and live a debt-free life. If you want to get access to this same blueprint and want to know more, please click the link in my description and you'll be well on your way. By the way, thank you for liking, sharing, and comment and visiting my channel. Please subscribe if you like my content. Visit me on my other social media profiles. All those links are in my description. And I'm out!